Hello everyone, today we will be discussing type 3 of GST. So we have only two questions in type 3. So our question is, wholesaler sells an article to shopkeeper at a discount of 10%. Wholesaler sells an article to shopkeeper at a discount of 10%. The mark price of the article is 50,000 and the rate of GST is 18%. Now, wholesaler sells an article to shopkeeper at a discount of 10%. So, 10% of 50,000 is 5,000. So, shopkeeper gets 5,000 discount from wholesaler. So, shopkeeper gets an article at for rupees 45,000. Right? Now, shopkeeper sells the article to consumer. Shopkeeper sells the article to consumer at 4% above the cost price. 4% above the mark price. Means the mark price is 50,000. 4% above means 4% of 50,000 is 2,000. He sells the article to consumer for rupees 52,000. 4% above mark price. Now, he gives tax to wholesaler, input tax. He receives tax from consumer, output tax. Divided into two parts, same SGST and CGST. SGST and CGST. Total tax is 18%, so 9% will go to the state government. 9% will go to the central government on the purchasing price, that is 45,000. Same is for CGST. Similarly, 9% of selling price 52,000. 9% of 52,000. 4680. Now we'll see what we have to find out in this question. First part, amount inclusive of tax paid by the shopkeeper to wholesaler, means shopkeeper paid to wholesaler inclusive of tax. So shopkeeper gets this article for rupees 45,000 and shopkeeper will give this tax to wholesaler, input tax. So 45,000 plus 4050 plus 4050 means 53,100, right? In the second part, amount paid by consumer. Amount paid by consumer. Beta, consumer will give 52,000 rupees for the article and this tax, output tax. So 52,000 plus 4680 plus 4680. Total 0, 8 8 16, 1, 12 1 13, 1 4 4 8 1 9, 9 into 11, 6 1 360 would be the amount paid by the consumer. And in the third part, tax paid by the shopkeeper to the central government. So shopkeeper paid tax to central government. Output CGST minus input CGST. Output CGST is what? 4680. Input CGST is 4050. So 630 rupees would be the tax paid by the paid by the shopkeeper. In the fourth part, tax received by the state government total. So total tax received by the state government. So wholesaler and shopkeeper will pay tax only. Wholesaler and shopkeeper only. So wholesaler will pay 4050 to state government, and shopkeeper will pay the difference, means output SGST minus input SGST. Output SGST is what? 4680 minus input SGST is 4050. So 4050 cancels. 4680 would be the tax received by the state government. Move on to one more question of this type. Now, in the next question, manufacturer sells the article to shopkeeper at a discount of 20%. Manufacturer sells the article to shopkeeper at a discount of 20%. Market value is 15,000. Market value is 15,000, and shopkeeper gets 20% discount from manufacturer. Okay. Now 20% of 15,000 is 3,000. So shopkeeper gets this article for rupees 12,000. Alright. Now shopkeeper sells this article to consumer, and he gives discount of 10% on mark price. 10% on mark price. So mark price 10% of 15,000 is 1,500. So remaining mark price becomes 15,000 minus 1,500, 13500. Now he gives a further off-season discount of 5%. He again gives a discount of 5% to consumer. So 5% of the remaining mark value, 617.5. So 13,500 minus 675, 12825. So finally, shopkeeper gives two discounts to consumer. First is 10% and second is 5%. And finally, consumer gets this product for rupees 12825. 12825. Now shopkeeper will pay tax to manufacturer, input tax, and will receive tax from consumer, output tax. Now total tax is 12%. So this tax is split up into equal taxes: SGST and CGST, SGST and CGST. 6% of purchasing price, 6% of purchasing price, 720, 720. Similarly, 6% of selling price, 6% of selling price. Now this would be 769.5. Now what we have to find out in this? Amount paid by consumer. Amount paid by consumer. So consumer will pay 1287825 plus tax, output tax. So total output tax will be 769 plus 769.5 plus 769.5. Add it. 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 carry, 9, 1, 10, 9, 19, 19 and 5, 24, 2 carry, 2 carry, 2 to 4, 4 and 6, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 1 carry, 7, 1, 8, 8, 7, 15, 15 and 8, 23. So 14364.0 would be the amount paid by the consumer. In the second part, how much the tax paid by the shopkeeper to state government. So shopkeeper to state government, again output SGST minus input SGST. Output SGST is 769.5, input SGST is 720, so it will be 49.5. In the third part, we have to find out the tax received by the central government. Tax received by the central government. Central. So central will receive tax from these two, manufacturer and shopkeeper. Manufacturer will pay 720 rupees as a central tax, and shopkeeper will pay the difference, output CGST minus input CGST. So finally the total tax received by the central government is 769.5. So this was all about in type 3. We will discuss more question in type 4 in the next video. Thank you all of you.